I knew this tool wasn't going to work. Oh, hey there. I wanted to share this chisel sharpening jig I made. I've always struggled with sharpening chisels or planing irons, trying to maintain that perfect angle while going back on the sharpening stone. I always tend to rock it like that. What this tool does, you slide your chisel in, you tighten down these wing nuts, and it locks your blade into place. You want more of an angle, you have your chisel further back, or less of an angle, you have it forward. I was definitely inspired by videos I saw on YouTube, so I dug through my scrap metal bin and found these rollers. And then my part spin to find the bolt and the wing nuts. I had a chunk of oak that I cut this from. I think it gives it a nice old-timey look. Looks like something you might find in an antique store. This cutout section right here is to accommodate the handle. And one thing you have to make sure of is both sides here are perfectly the same height. If one side's higher than the other, it's not going to sharpen your chisel properly. And one thing I had to worry about was how high to make this section here. Some of the other jigs I saw on YouTube are much taller. So I just set my chisel so the blade was level with the sharpening stone. I just measured up and it worked out to about 3 inches. After I knew it was going to work, I took the whole thing apart, gave it a good sanding, stained it, put some linseed oil on it, and put it back together. I have a variety of different sharpening stones from coarse all the way down to slate. In the couple hours that I've used this tool, I've noticed a huge improvement already, and that they're cutting much better. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching.